Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the top 10 amazing, reliable new cars coming out in 2025. We'll break down the price, exterior design, interior features, and performance of each of these vehicles. Whether you're on the lookout for a daily driver or something with a bit more style and substance, this list has something for everyone. Let's jump right into it. 1. 2025 Volvo X40. Kicking off our list is the 2025 Volvo X40, a compact electric SUV that's set to redefine what premium means for small EVs. With a price starting around $50,000, it may not be the cheapest option, but it's definitely one of the most luxurious in its class. The X40 boasts Volvo's signature minimalist Scandinavian design on the outside, with clean lines and a modern grille-less front, signifying its electric heart. Its sleek LED lighting and muscular stance give it a dynamic look that's both sporty and refined. Inside, Volvo doesn't disappoint, offering a plush, tech-driven interior. You'll find high-quality materials like vegan leather and recycled plastics, paired with a large, vertically oriented infotainment screen powered by Google's Android Automotive. Spaciousness is decent for its size, comfortably seating 5 passengers. Under the hood, or rather the floor, is a fully electric powertrain with options for single or dual motors, offering up to 300 miles of range. Performance is brisk, with instant torque making city driving a breeze. The X40 is perfect for those wanting eco-friendliness without sacrificing luxury or performance. 2. 2025 Hyundai Elantra. Next up is the refreshed 2025 Hyundai Elantra, continuing its legacy as a reliable, budget-friendly sedan. With a starting price of about $21,000, this car delivers a surprising amount of value for what you pay. The 2025 Elantra has an aggressive new exterior design with sharp angles and a sportier stance. Its prominent front grille and streamlined LED headlights make it a head-turner. The overall look is bold, yet practical, appealing to younger buyers looking for something affordable yet stylish. Inside, Hyundai has done an impressive job with materials, offering a clean and modern cabin layout with an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen as standard. The spacious interior is a strong point, with ample legroom both in the front and back seats. It also boasts a solid set of tech features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In terms of performance, the Elantra will be available with multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 1.6-liter variant for those wanting a bit more power. The standard 2.0-liter engine delivers solid fuel economy and a smooth ride, making this car a dependable daily driver. 3. 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. At number 3, we have the 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer, a compact SUV that's perfect for those looking for a blend of affordability and versatility. With prices starting around $23,000, the Trailblazer provides great value for money. The exterior design of the 2025 model features an updated front fascia with a more aggressive grille and sleeker headlights, giving it a more modern and assertive appearance. Its two-tone roof options and sporty accents add a youthful vibe to the overall look. Inside, the Trailblazer offers a surprisingly spacious and functional cabin for a compact SUV. It includes a standard 7-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with plenty of cargo space thanks to its split-folding rear seats. Chevrolet also prioritized safety, packing this SUV with advanced features like lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking. Performance-wise, the 2025 Trailblazer is powered by either a 1.2-liter or 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, offering decent acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency, up to 33 amp on the highway. It's not a powerhouse, but for city and suburban driving, it's more than adequate. 4. 2025 Toyota Crown. The 2025 Toyota Crown stands out in the lineup as a luxury sedan with a starting price of around $40,000. This model marks Toyota's return to the premium sedan market with a bold, modern design and cutting-edge features. On the exterior, the Crown offers a sleek and dynamic silhouette with a coupe-like roofline. Its LED lighting and large front grille give it an imposing yet elegant presence on the road, catering to those who want a sedan with upscale appeal. Step inside, and you'll find a meticulously designed cabin with premium materials like leather upholstery and wood accents. The 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering easy access to Toyota's latest infotainment system. The spacious interior provides ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long trips comfortable. Under the hood, the 2025 Crown offers a choice between a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine or a hybrid setup, both delivering impressive power and fuel efficiency. This sedan is designed for a smooth, refined ride with responsive handling to match its luxury status. 5. 2025 Nissan Kicks. Next on the list is the 2025 Nissan Kicks, a subcompact SUV that's big on style and affordability. With a starting price of around $20,000, it's one of the most budget-friendly options in the segment. The Kicks has an eye-catching exterior with bold, sharp lines and a distinctive floating roof design. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban driving, while its sporty look appeals to younger buyers. Inside, the Kicks offers a surprisingly spacious cabin, with plenty of headroom and cargo space for a car its size. The interior design is simple yet functional, with a 7-inch touchscreen, smartphone integration, and plenty of USB ports. Though it's built to be affordable, Nissan has added plenty of tech, including automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. The 2025 Kicks is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, which delivers modest performance but excellent fuel economy, making it a great option for commuters who want reliability without breaking the bank. 6. 2024 Subaru Impreza. Coming in at number 6 is the 2024 Subaru Impreza, which is well known for its all-wheel drive system and rugged reliability. Priced at around $24,000, this compact car remains a solid choice for those who need versatility. The 2024 Impreza features a refreshed, sportier design with sleeker headlights and a more aggressive stance. Its all-wheel drive system remains a standout feature, giving it an edge for those living in regions with rough weather conditions. Inside, the Impreza boasts a user-friendly layout with high-quality materials. The infotainment system now includes an 11.6-inch touchscreen, giving it a more modern feel. The cabin is spacious, offering a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers, with plenty of cargo space for weekend trips. Performance-wise, the Impreza is equipped with a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine, which delivers decent power while maintaining fuel efficiency. Its handling is sharp, and its all-wheel drive system ensures it stays composed on slippery roads, making it a great year-round car. 7. 2025 Hyundai CRV Hybrid. The 2025 Hyundai CRV Hybrid is another exciting addition to the lineup, blending reliability, efficiency, and space. With a starting price around $35,000, it's a smart choice for families and eco-conscious drivers alike. The exterior of the CRV Hybrid looks rugged and modern, with updated LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a streamlined body. Its sleek lines and aerodynamic design make it stand out in the crowded SUV market. Inside, Honda focuses on comfort and tech. The cabin is spacious, with seating for 5 and plenty of cargo room. It features a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a host of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, providing excellent fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. It's a smooth and quiet ride, perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. 8. 2025 Toyota Camry. The iconic Toyota Camry continues its reign with the 2025 model, starting at around $27,000. Known for its reliability, the Camry brings modern updates to keep it competitive in the mid-size sedan market. The 2025 Camry's exterior has been refreshed with a sportier design, including a new front grille and sleeker headlights. Its athletic stance and bold lines make it more appealing than ever. Inside, the Camry impresses with a refined cabin that offers quality materials and a user-friendly layout. The 9-inch infotainment system includes smartphone integration, and there's plenty of space for passengers, making it a practical family car. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine or a 3.5-liter V6 for more power. Both options deliver smooth, reliable performance, with the V6 offering a sportier driving experience. The Camry continues to set the standard for mid-size sedans with its blend of comfort, performance, and value. 9. 2024 Nissan Sentra. The 2024 Nissan Sentra remains a solid option for budget-conscious buyers, with a starting price of just $20,000. Nissan has made sure the Sentra stays relevant in the competitive compact sedan segment. The exterior features a sleek, modern design with sharp lines and a bold front grille, giving it a more upscale appearance than its price suggests. Its compact size makes it a great option for city driving. Inside, the Sentra offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin, With standard features like a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, the interior space is commendable for a compact car with comfortable seating for 5. Under the hood, the 2024 Sentra is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a smooth ride and solid fuel economy. While it's not a performance car, it's a great option for those seeking reliable and affordable transportation. 10. 2025 Polster III. Rounding out our list is the highly anticipated 2025 Polster III, an all-electric luxury SUV that's ready to take on the big players in the EV world. Starting at around $85,000, this is one of the most premium vehicles on the list. The Polster III's design is sleek and futuristic, with a minimalist aesthetic. Its aerodynamic shape and flush door handles give it a modern look, while its bold front end and unique lighting design make it stand out. Inside, the Polster III features a luxurious and tech-filled cabin with sustainable materials and a large, portrait-oriented touchscreen. It offers a spacious and comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. Performance is where the Polster III truly shines, with dual electric motors delivering up to 400 miles of range on a single charge. The acceleration is instant and its handling is sharp, making it a thrilling yet eco-friendly driving experience. That wraps up our list of the 10 amazing, reliable cars coming out in 2025. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly sedan, a luxurious electric SUV, or something in between, these models offer something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more car content.